Downloading video from Pictory.ai and mobile is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. So, first what you need to do is to open Google on your mobile phone and search Pictory.ai. Click on this Pictory.ai link. Its website will open. Now to log in, click on Continue with Google. Click on your Google account. Wait for the loading. Now an interface appears which prompts a problem in logging in. For that, click on these three dots here at the right top. Click on Desktop Site. Now you can see Pictory.ai home page. At the left side, in Script to Video option, click on Proceed. Click on the title and enter a suitable title first. Then click on Start Writing and write your video content here. When you are done with writing, click on Proceed at the right top. A variety of templates will appear. Choose according to your choice. Click on the template. Select an appropriate ratio of 16:9. Then the video will load. Now you can see your video here. Click on Preview to view it. The next step you have to do is to click on Download here above the video. Then click on Video. Now the audio and video will be generated. After the loading, this interface will appear. Click on Download here. Now your video will be downloaded in your mobile. This notification will appear. Click on it to view your video. The video has now been downloaded in your mobile. So, in this way you can download video from Pictory.ai and mobile.